Okay. The part that I also want to clarify for you is about the grades. Furthermore, I want to emphasize that I told you that there are units, assignments, and activities. I mentioned that there are units. Each of these elements contributes to your final grade. These components are crucial for your overall performance. The units have tests, and there are 3 assignments and 3 activities. Right. You'll notice that the units are worth 8 points, the assignment 6 points, and the activities 6 points. So how much do they add up to? How many points? 8 or 6 or 6. They add up to 20 points. So what about those 20 points? No one should waste half a point. Why? Did anyone pay attention to what I said earlier? That the units, assignments, and activities allow for multiple attempts. So if you completed an assignment, how many points is that assignment worth? Just one assignment. It's worth 2 points. What is one assignment worth? It's worth 2 points. You entered. You solved the test or did the homework. You solved the homework and then studied it. You got a score out of 2. Don't stop at a score out of 2. Open the homework again immediately and solve it until you get the full score out of 2. Because it allows multiple attempts, you can try multiple times. Don't waste any points. They're guaranteed. The coursework test is out of 20. 20 here, 20 above. Total 40. Final exam 60. Total score is 100. Follow assignment instructions. Complete assignments in 2 weeks. Complete activities in 2 weeks. Finish first assignment in 3rd week. Don't delay or miss out. It will be out of 20 points. 40 and 60 means your total score is out of 100. Pay attention to the assignment instructions. Complete it within 2 weeks of being assigned. If the first assignment is released in the 3rd week, complete it then. How can this happen? These are the conditions or cases that you will read about. Completing the assignment within 2 weeks of being assigned means, as I keep stressing, completing the activity within 2 weeks of being assigned. So, if the first assignment is released in the 3rd week, as soon as it opens, check that the first assignment will be in the 3rd week. You must complete that first assignment in the 3rd week. Don't postpone it. If you delay it, you'll miss out. I'm emphasizing this to you. So can a student be barred from taking the final exam? Yes, a student can be barred from taking the final exam. How can this happen? These are the conditions or cases that you will read about. You'll see when a student can be barred from the final exam due to over 20% absence from online classes. If you miss all 4 lectures, you're barred. If you don't complete assignments or activities and never access the course, you're barred. Why let this happen? Just check the schedule. It's simple. In the first week, study the first unit and take its test. Proceed slowly, week by week. The schedule considers the student, like in the second week, there's only the second unit. So if you didn't complete the assignment or the activity and you have no activity in the course, meaning if you never accessed the course at all, didn't complete any assignments, didn't participate in any activities, and didn't attend with the professor, then in that case, you will be barred. But why would that happen? Why would you do that? Just commit to checking the schedule. The schedule is very simple. In the first week, it says you have the first unit and you don't have more than that. So go into the first unit, study it, review it, and take its test. In the second week, if I proceed like this, slowly and steadily, week by week, you'll find that even in the division, if you notice in the schedule, it considers the student. For example, in the second week, there's only the second unit. The schedule is very simple. In the first week, it says you have only the first unit and you don't have more than that. So go into the first unit, study it, and review it, and take its test. In the second week, if I proceed like this, slowly and steadily, week by week, you'll find that even in the division, if you notice in the schedule, it considers the student. For example, in the second week, you only have second unit. So you're studying the second unit. While studying the first and second units, you had some notes. In the second week, A virtual class with the professor allows direct meetings for clarifications. Students communicate and get clarifications. These classes are crucial for direct communication and clarifications during your self-study. I hope everything is clear. If there's a note or something unclear, you can reach out to the professor through this class, and the professor can start clarifying those things for you. So, these virtual classes are important because you're studying these units on your own, but you have 4 lectures where you can communicate directly with the professor and also see what things are unclear, and the professor can clarify them for you. This part is very important. Okay, I'm coming back to you to see if there's anything unclear. I hope everything is clear for you. I hope everything is clear, and please pay attention to the complete course level from the simple courses. You can, God willing, achieve full marks in the units, assignments, and activity tests. I wish you all the best. Do you have any other questions? Is there anything you want to ask before we wrap up? All right. Good luck, and peace be upon you. And you can, God willing, achieve full marks in the units, assignments, and activity tests. Wish you all the best. And I am confident that with dedication and hard work, you will excel in all your academic endeavors. Remember, persistence and determination are key to success. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out for any further assistance or guidance you may need. Do you have any questions before we wrap up? All right. Good luck, and peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings.